Hey, welcome back to Griffzilla Garage. In the garage, you talk about everything. Today, we're talking about the VNSH holster. I decided to do a review because when I was looking for a holster, all I saw were reviews showing them saying it's comfortable, what kind of firearms it could hold, and how much it costs. I couldn't find any that showed what it's like to move around and be active and, oh, hey, if I needed it, it's still here. I wanted a holster that was going to be comfortable and stay in place. So here at Griffzilla Garage, we do things a little different. You know, some people would say I'm on the spectrum. Hey, rather be somewhere than nowhere, right? Well, this is no different. Let me tell you what I don't like first. What I don't like is two things. One, if I've been sitting down like in the car for a while, I don't like that this piece behind it will start to ride up some. So I don't dig that. I carry a Glock 29. Super easy to put the belly band on and take off. This is great for any Glock style firearms. Let me point out what they have updated since the first VNSH holster. One is the trigger guard pad now covers the trigger completely. You don't need to worry about that anymore. And they also re-engineered the strap. So those two problems have been addressed. What I didn't like was on the original, the Velcro had wore out with the part that I always used it at. It didn't really hold so well after about, I guess it was 6 to 8 months. On the plus side, when I went to call in to warranty it, the hardest question I had to answer was, what email did you order the holster under? I was like, So when I figured that out, 3 days later, I had the VNSH holster. Customer service was awesome. Besides asking which email I used, there was no other questions. It was awesome. Well, I fully support the privilege to conceal carry if you live in a state where you can do that, and the right to own, buy firearms, buy ammo. That's all great. But you gotta know when it's acceptable to use deadly force. So please study up on that. And at the same time, do yourself a favor, learn some self-defense. I like Krav Maga. You just knuckle them up real quick. Kind of like in the Goonies when Mouth is like, hey, Chunk, want to buy some naked pictures of your mom? Real cheap. Krav Maga, it's going to knuckle them up real quick. And you know that hitting somebody with a Superman punch, choking them out, kicking them in the face, that's way more badass. Check out the review. Some idiot gets in your face, you're like looking at the leg, act like you're gonna throw that calf kick, you know, and then it's boom, hit him with the Superman punch. Oh, gun stays in place the whole time. No need to use it because they're on the ground, knocked out cold. Hey, check it out. My skinny ass. Hey,
I nailed that thing. Pow! Oh, you know what? I thought this was gonna be funny. It's not. No, not funny. And now the baby's upset. Sorry, let's move on.
It's still in place. Hasn't moved at all. I used a holster before that, as I ran, the whole thing was bouncing up and down. Well, you can see with the VNSH holster, everything stays right in place. Okay, so here we are. 10 round, 15 round, 15 round.
Can't you see me over here jumping on the trampoline?
Looks like we're all still there. The other guy, he had complained about the strap being too difficult, and they did re-engineer that. But just for argument's sake, let's check. We've undone the strap, all right? And we've got it all weighted up.
Jump! 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 Jump some more! Jump! Jump! This song sucks.
Looks like it's still fully seated. So look, guys, after all that, I think this is an awesome belly band style holster. It's super comfortable. They warranted it right away. This is good stuff. Check it out. Look, you know, I don't wear real baggy clothes, you know, big, you know, Jay Cutler jersey or anything. So the cool thing about this is that you don't know you're wearing it, and neither does anybody else. In fact, so why don't you reach out to VNSH Holsters, tell them you heard about it from Griff, Griffzilla Garage. Maybe they'll start paying me to do these. Until then, remember, God's got a special plan for you. Let's find out what it is. I'll see you next time.